Hey guys, welcome to CRNT Designers. This is Chetan, and in this tutorial we are going to learn the text tool add-on to improve our UV unwrapping skills. So without further ado, let's get started. So you can see this is our model, and we will do experiments on this model to learn the text tool add-on and to improve our UV unwrapping skill. So I'm going to the UV editing mode. So you can see here is the model. I have assigned a simple texture to this, that UV grid texture, and I have added the seams on it. And here you can see it's UV island after UV unwrap. Select everything and UV unwrap, and in this way you can unwrap it. For all the objects I have done the same step, and you can see the UV islands here. Okay, so this is simple. Now we are going to learn the UV packing, and that's why we are going to use the text tool. So I will press N key, and here is that add-on text tool. Here we are going to use the one texture method, means we will use the only one texture for this complete X model, and we will pack all the UVs of all objects in this UV space. That's like a task. So let's do that. The main motto of this tutorial is to teach you how you can use the text tool add-on and its features. Just go to the face mode, and now if I'm going to select this UV island by pressing L key and then select this also, and here are the options. You can see align world, crop, fill. These are different options, so it will crop and it will take your UV island in this UV space. If I select fill, it will fill your UVs in that UV space. Suppose I have selected all these UV islands and then I press this crop button, then it will crop these UV islands and it will take all the UV islands in this UV space. And if I use fill option at here, it will fill all the UV islands in that UV space, as you can see here. So here you can see different UV alignment option, and which are similar to like a Photoshop and then Illustrator, all these kind of things, as like a vector graphic. And this kind of features you get in the Maya, and then you don't need any kind of add-on, but in the Blender you need to have the add-on to get these kind of features. So that's why you need to use the add-on. That's like a text tool or any other. So I can align this like this. If I press this option, it will align at the center, at the here, anywhere in the canvas. If I do the undo, and now if I try to align this selection, then it will align at this selection like this. So this is pretty easy. So here you can see there are clockwise rotation and anti-clockwise rotation, and you can rotate your UV island into the 90 degree. So like this. It's very simple. After that, there is another option which is the mirror. Now I'm going to take this UV island. Now we are going to learn that mirror option. It will mirror horizontally and this will mirror vertically. So if I press this horizontal mirror, it will mirror like this. If I press this, it will mirror like this. So this is the mirror option. After that, you can see here are few UV islands, which are very small UV islands, you can see. And that's why this short edge option and short V option will help us to align them in a proper way, in a row or in a column. So that's why we are going to use this short edge. So it will align like this. So you can see before and after. It will align these UV islands in a proper way. And we can do with a vertical also, short V. So it will align your UV islands in a vertical way. So you can select any UV islands and you can do that same thing, short H or short V, as like this. This feature is also very useful feature. If I select this UV island and then I press centralize, it will take this all UV islands in the UV space. Then if I select this UV island, then I press randomize, then it will randomize your UV island, as like this. You can understand the features of these options by their names. Then the next important tool, it is the rectify. Now you can see this UV island, and now you can see it is not perfectly straight. So I can use this rectify option and it will make it straight, which is very useful. Whenever I UV unwrap my models, I use this feature because it is a very useful feature. So I select this UV island and then press on this rectify button, and it will make that UV island straight. I have used the rectify feature on it, and its opposite feature. If I use the rectify, if I select this UV island and I want to relax it, then there is the option relax. So you can relax this UV island with the help of this option. Then there is the option pick, rate pixel per unit ratio textile density. Now I'm going to select this UV island, okay, like this, and now I will choose this pick option, and now it will calculate its textile size, and with the help of this textile size I can select the similar UV island. So just you need to click on this similar, so it will select similar. Suppose I scale down this UV island and now I don't know its proper scale, the large scale, so I can use that apply option, so it will give us the previous scale of this UV island. Okay, so you can see these two islands are getting overlapped with each other, and now if I click on this overlap option, it will select the islands which are overlapping like this. So I can move them. I can understand these UV islands are getting overlapped with each other. So that's why just need to select that UV island by pressing L key, and then you can move it like this. So this is another useful feature. The next option, it is a similar. So similar, select UV islands with a similar topology. If I select this UV island and I click on this similar, it will select the similar islands from its topology. So this is the another way to use this similar option. Suppose if I select this UV island, then I press this similar option, then it will select the similar UV island, and you can see it select the UV islands with the similar topology. You can see if I select this UV island and I want to select its boundary, then I can use this option, that bounds. So it will select its boundary. For this also you can easily understand, if I select this UV island and I want to select its boundary, then I can use this bounds option, so it will select the boundary of that UV island. So these are UV layout option in the text tool which you can use to improve your UV unwrapping skill. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, then hit that like button and subscribe our YouTube channel. Bye bye, see you next video. Take care.